Well, you tempted me to bear affect it. I tried to be chill, but she's so happy to melt it. Offer us through the cracks. I now try to get back. Before the cool tower run on, we're giving in my bestie. And now it's gonna stop it by divine intervention. I work on it to gain my turn. To win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Later, yeah. No, don't know. Yeah, yeah. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music at the moment, baby, sing with me. All I play for melodies is your comfort, so I can write to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. He cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Open up your mind and say let me. Open up your plans and then you're free. But look into your heart and you find it's yours. So please, no, please, no, please, no, no, please.